Hi everyone! Join me how to play Grow a Garden. I'm just a noob here. Watch me how to climb a coconut tree. I will collect those coconut. Collect, collect, collect. And I will collect the other coconut. Oh! To climb again. Okay, I'm gonna try again how to climb the coconut tree. Okay, you watch me guys. Watch me, watch me. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, help me out. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so hard. I'm gonna climb. I'm gonna get up. Okay. I'm gonna get those coconuts. I'm gonna collect them carefully. Collect. I'm gonna collect those coconuts. Collect, 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 collect. I cannot go up to the top. Collect, 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 collect. I cannot climb up to the top because I'm gonna be I'm gonna collect up fruit from my garden. I'm so new here. Okay, this one is corn. Let's collect corn. And then this one tomato. Collect the watermelon. Strawberry again. This one is tomatoes. We're gonna sell it. I'm going to sell it. I want to sell it for only 50,000. We got 50,000. And then we will buy, we'll check seeds from the seller. Let's try if they have a stock. So they don't have a stock. Oh my god, everyone is out of stock. Tomatoes. Tomato again. Tomato. I'm holding a tomato right now. Okay, let's sell some fruits for $111. Come with me. Let's go. Let's check this out. My garden. Let's go to our garden. Let's try again how to climb the coconut tree and let's get all those coconuts. Those coconut fruit. Okay. Let's try help me. Jump, jump. Oh, oh my god. Jump again. Jump, jump, jump. I think I cannot go up to the top of the tree. Oh, help me guys. Help me. This is so hard. This is so hard. Let's collect those coconut fruits. Help me. God, I cannot do it anymore. I can't do it anymore.